In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage follower visibility on Instagram when your account is public. Let's get clear right away. On a public Instagram account, there's no built-in setting to hide your followers or following list from specific people. If your profile is public, those lists are visible to anyone who opens your profile. That said, there are a few practical workarounds to limit what certain people see and how they interact with you. First, consider removing specific followers you don't want engaging with your content. Go to your profile, open your followers list, find the person, and tap remove. They won't be notified. This helps keep your posts out of their feed and reduces casual exposure. However, because your account is public, they can still visit your profile and view your followers list if they look you up directly. Think of this as reducing visibility, not hiding the list. Next, try restricting accounts you're uncomfortable with. Open their profile, tap the three dots, and select Restrict. When someone is restricted, their comments on your posts are only visible to them unless you approve them. They can't see when you're active, and they won't know if you've read their messages. It's a quiet way to limit interactions without blocking or unfollowing. You can also limit who sees your content using close friends. For stories, share only to your close friends list or use the hide story from option to exclude specific people. Instagram also supports sharing some posts and reels with close friends, which is great if you want to post publicly most of the time but keep certain content for a smaller circle. This doesn't hide your followers list, but it does control who actually sees what you share. If you need full control, switching to a private account is the only reliable method. With a private profile, you approve who can follow you, which in turn controls who can see your followers and following lists and your content. A quick but important warning: avoid third-party apps or services that claim they can hide your followers. These often violate Instagram's policies, put your account at risk, and can compromise your security. To summarize, Instagram doesn't allow hiding followers or following lists selectively on public accounts. You can remove or restrict specific users and use close friends to limit content visibility, but truly controlling who sees your lists requires a private account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.